twos.
This is how to do a runner's lunge properly. So lunges are complicated. You see them done incorrectly a lot, and it's normally just the littlest things that you can fix to make it more safe on your knees, which our knees are very, very sensitive. So we're gonna step our right foot forward, bring your arms up. So from here, always take a moment to check in with yourself where you're at and make sure that your right knee is stacked above your right ankle. So we're here, we're gonna lower our hands down. So now we're in our runner's lunge. Leave a tiny, tiny micro bend in that back leg. And you really just wanna allow that left hip flexor to lengthen out. So if you're feeling super tight and you're like this and you're squeezing your core a lot and you're squeezing your glutes, you're not gonna get that lengthening of your hip flexors, which we all need that. So really just allow yourself to sink down just a little bit deeper. We just have a straight line from our tailbone to the crown of the head here. And try not to leave too much pressure of your upper body on the top of the thigh. So we don't wanna be like this. We wanna be nice and strong, shoulder blades back, just coming up to the tips of the fingers. Now, if you wanna use your blocks or your books, you can always use these on the sides of your feet and allow yourself a little more comfort here. Be very careful. Normally you just lower your knee down and then move into your next pose. Just taking your time, always moving nice and slow in between deep stretches.